Good morning, everyone. This is Mithilesh, and welcome back to the class of Engineers Physics. So, today we are going to discuss some numerical which are based on current electricity. So, before proceeding, we would like to discuss some relations which will be used in that numericals. So, first of all, the first formula we know that Q is equals NE. The next is equals I is equals Q upon T, and the last one is V is equals IR. So let us discuss one by one about all these three equations, and then we will jump to the numerical, right? So these are the basic formula which you should know. If we talk about this small e, this represents charge on electron. This represents charge on electron, and whose value is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. N represent number of charge particle transferred, number of electrons transferred, we can say number of electrons transferred from one body to another body. What about Q? Q represents total charge. Total charge. So charge is a scalar quantity. This charge is what? A scalar quantity. So ultimately in this particular equation, we just came across a word charge. So charge is the property due to which it exerts electrostatic force on other charged or uncharged particle. The SI unit for charge is coulomb, and it is a scalar quantity. Now let us move to the next relation. This is I is equals Q upon T. We know the definition of a current. The rate of flow of charge is known as current. So here Q represent charge, T represent time, I represents current. The SI unit of current is ampere. The SI unit of charge is coulomb. The SI unit of time is second. So here we can write 1 ampere is equals 1 coulomb by 1 second. So if 1 coulomb charge passes through any cross section in 1 second, then the current will be 1 ampere. So we just know the SI unit of current. But what about the nature of a current? It is a scalar vector. Current is a scalar quantity. It is a scalar quantity. Now we are going to discuss about V is equals IR. V is equals IR. It is all about the Ohm's law. It is all about the Ohm's law. Here V represent what? Voltage. Voltage. I represent current. R represent resistance. SI unit of voltage is V. SI unit of current is ampere. SI unit of resistance is. So using this formula, we are going to discuss some numericals. So let us begin this. First numerical is in transferring 1.5 coulomb charge through a wire. So it is said that 1.5 coulomb. So it is what? It is charge. Q is equals 1.5 coulomb. 9 joule of work is needed. 9 joule of work is needed. Work is needed. 9 joule. Find the potential difference across the wire. We have to find V, right? So we have to find V. So let us discuss about the relation for this one, right? So we know that potential is equals work by charge. So the definition for this potential will be the amount of charge, the amount of work in bringing one unit positive charge from infinity to a point inside the field is called potential. So using this formula we can solve this. So V is equals W upon Q. अगर आपने theory पढ़ा है तो आपको चीजें पता होंगी. So as it is written over here, Work is what? 9 joule. What about the charge? We can write a small q, capital Q, no any issue in that one. So charge is 1.5. If I remove the decimal, so it will be like this. So 15, 6 times we will be getting 90. So the voltage will be what? Or potential difference will be what? 6 volt. So now let us move to the next one. In a cell of potential difference, voltage is given, potential difference is given 12 volt, is connected to a bulb. बहुत बढ़िया बात है. The resistance of a filament of a bulb when it glows is 24 centimeters ohm. So the resistance is 24 ohm. Find the current. What we have to find? We have to find the current. So using Ohm's law, we know that V is equals what? IR. What about V? 12. We have to find I. What about R? It is 24. So I will be equal to 12 upon 24. If we divide, we will be getting 1 upon 2 and it is 0.5 ampere. So this is the way you can just go to through a numerical. बहुत simple है, numerical पढ़ना है, find करना है, क्या क्या given है, कौन सा formula से निकल सकता है, then we have to put the value and get the answer, right? So if you want to avail the live classes, then you can just drop a WhatsApp message at 8789755058. And in this live class, we just focus on ICSE board students. And this is for class 8, class 9th and class 10th student. So you can just see the schedule over here for class 8. जो भी बच्चे class 8 में है वो Monday and Tuesday उनका class होगा. जो भी बच्चे class 9 में है उनका Wednesday and Thursday class. And जो भी बच्चे class 10 में है Friday and Saturday. So in this way you will be get in touch twice a week. वीकली बेसिस में आप मेरे से 2 दिन कनेक्टेड रहोगे जिसमें हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे फिजिक्स के बारे में. व्हाट विल बी द टाइमिंग? टाइमिंग बहुत ही कन्वीनियंट रखा गया है क्योंकि डेफिनेटली ये 8 से 9 PM में स्टूडेंट का कोई भी स्पेसिफिक वर्क नहीं होता है, राइट? ये स्टडी टाइम ही है. सो बेसिकली हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे ये टाइम सेलेक्ट किया है दैट 8 PM से 9 PM आप यहाँ पे कनेक्टेड हो सकते हो और हम लोग डिस्कस कर सकते हैं फिजिक्स को. सो मंथली फी विल बी 500. अब बोलोगे सर क्या क्लास 8, 9, 10 सभी के लिए 500 है? द आंसर इज यस. अगर आप क्लास 8 में हो, 9 में हो, 10 में हो, यू हैव टू पे 500 एंड यू हैव टू जस्ट गो थ्रू दिस क्लासेस, राइट? क्या ये यहाँ पे रिकॉर्डिंग्स मिलेगी? रिकॉर्डिंग इन द सेंस रिकॉर्डेड सेशन होगा? बिल्कुल भी नहीं, ये पूरा लाइव होगा, राइट? लाइव होने के बाद जो आपको थोड़ा रिकॉर्डिंग जो है वो प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा, राइट? तो चलिए हम लोग बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर. A bulb draw 1.5 ampere at 6 volt. So current is given what? 6 ampere. What about the voltage? 6 volt. Find the resistance of a bulb. Okay, I have written some this data, sorry. Current is 1.5 ampere, right? Find the resistance. We have to find R. Again, we know that V is equals what? IR. So V is 6 volt, current is 1.5 and the resistance we have to find it out. So ultimately R will be 6 upon 1.5 and if we remove the decimal it will be 60. 15, 4 times 60, so the resistance will be 4 ohm. So this is the way we can just solve this kind of numerical over here, right? So now let us move to the next numerical. So the current 0.2 ampere flows in a wire of resistance 15 ohm. We have to find the potential difference. We have to find what? Potential difference. So it is said that the current is 0.2 ampere and the resistance is 15 ohm. We have to find V is equals what? Since again using Ohm's law we know that V is equals what? IR. So V will be equal to I is 0.2 and this is 15. If we just remove the decimal it will be like this. So V will be 30 upon 10. So the voltage will be 3 volt, right? So this is the numericals which we have discussed today. So basically if you like this session then stay tuned with the channel Ingenious Physics. Thank you and keep sharing the content with your batchmates, senior and junior so that they can get the benefit of these classes. Thank you, bye bye and have a good day.